Hi, I want to install JDK first of all. Yeah, starting Java is 10 version. It is 10th version. Next, click next. Next, it will be full it with a green color. Wait, patience. Yeah, it's total done almost. This JDK version is will be preferring when Android code developing. Yeah, you have to change or then you want to continue. It's your wish. Next, there are 3 billion devices are running in Java. Almost done. Click close. You have to set path in the system because the Java programming will not run if you not set the path. Go to computer. Wait. Go to computer and select a C drive, program files. Check whether Java installed or not. Oh, program files only. Java is there. JDK as a bin folder. Copy the path. Copy the path and go to computer and right click it. Select properties and system advanced settings. Default environment variables. New path name. Value. Paste it. OK. Click OK. OK. Then close it. You have to install Android file. Then if you not downloaded it, then go to the Google and Android Studio website. Click download option. Download Android Studio is there clear. You have to accept terms and conditions. Download it. It will take some time. Here is some build your first app. Something is there. Yeah. This is instructions how to download and use it under Studio application. Is a 32-bit or 64-bit if you want, if you wish. Yeah, my file is downloaded. Select run as administrator. Yeah, installing. Unzipping. Next, click next. Next. Yeah, check it. Next. Check again. Next it. Next. Next. Yeah. The total file unzipping. Click next. Finish. The Android application will be opening. Android Studio. There is Android Studio application is opening. Go to all programs and check whether it is installed or not. Yes, is there Android Studio. Click on that. Android Studio will be opened. Yeah. Check. There is a tip. Close it. Yeah. Where this is Android Studio application interface. Check projects. No, I don't want to develop now this project. Firstly, how to install this and know how to use it, and then only you have to participate in that. Close it.